Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do some track cleaning today. Track cleaning, and kind of a special day. It's Labor Day today, so thought I'd run these. It's a bit of a special day. Let's see if the headlight's on. Get the headlight on. There we go, and the Mars lights. Yep. And this one too. Yeah. So I have the big boy on the inner track during the inside track during the track cleaning, because I haven't done that for a long time. Which is cab number 4011, this one here. Just going to start off just doing some track cleaning this morning. I thought I'd do this video. It's a holiday today. It's a special day. It's Labor Day. I thought I would run the big boys. I think the last holiday we had was Canada Day. Haven't run them since then. And the inner track, I haven't done any cleaning on the inner track. It's quite dirty, so I thought, you know what, let's get that one running. I'm gonna slow it down. Oop. I wanted the other one to come. But anyway, let's stop it and fill up the coal load. I think you have to be stopped to do this. Yeah, it's going up. Yep. The other one too, you can't see it, it's way over there. Let's just bring it closer. I think I have to refill my smoke oil for the whistles. It's starting to get a bit diminished. Like I said, I haven't run these for a long time, and that, yeah, it evaporates. So yeah, I think I'm going to put some into this one here, and then I'll do the one over there when it comes back around. I have to do it when it's stopped, because it's next to impossible to do when you're when it's moving. There's a separate compartment for that. I have to try and find the hole. There it is. It's under the whistle. Just a couple drops. There we go. I might as well put a couple drops in the stocks there. 4 drops, that's fine. Oh, I'm supposed to get an air bubble. There, just blow on it. Okay. Okay, we got that one done. Let's bring the other one around and we'll get the other one done. Oh, it's going a bit fast. Do I have enough in the... Oh yeah, enough for this little whistle anyway. Let's stop it here. Can't see where the hole is. Or... Okay, let me see it now. Okay. Couple drops there. Okay, let's try it. I'm sure it has an air bubble, but let's try it anyway. Yeah. Try the Longhorn. Okay, that's interesting. A little bit different. Okay, let's start moving forward. Takes some time for it to warm up, but anyway. It'll get darker. Same thing with this other one. Because the smoke oil is cold, it just cools down the element, and you just have to wait a bit for it to get for it to warm up. Let's go into full speed again. It's pretty fast in full speed. It's quite amazing. And next time around, we're going to do the shutdown sequence. I think I have an air bubble in the smokestack, actually, of the outside track one there. Let's bring it over here. Or I shut the smoke off. Yeah, I must have shut off by mistake. Anyway, let's try the coal load. Get that back up. Okay. Yeah, I think I shut off by mistake. I can't remember which button it is. I think it's F7 or F8. I probably pressed it and it shut off. Anyway, I was going to do the shutdown sequence here. F9. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.